Tired of endless searching on Google? Meet Google Bard, an AI tool that gives you clear, summarized answers instantly. In this video, I'll show you how to use Bard for fast and effective research. Simply visit bard.google.com, log in with your Google account, and you're ready to go. The trick is being specific. Instead of typing history of the internet, summarize the history of the internet in 5 key points. Bard will deliver a clean summary in seconds. Need multiple perspectives? Ask Bard to compare advantages and disadvantages of something like electric cars versus gas cars. Bard can draft outlines, brainstorm ideas, or simplify complex topics. Just remember to fact-check important details. With Bard, you can research faster, write smarter, and save hours every week. Try today and let AI do the heavy lifting. Hit subscribe for more quick AI tips that make your life easier.